Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sumitra. I'm the pediatrician, certified lactation expert and certified baby sleep expert. So in this video, we will discuss the most important thing in the breastfeeding, that is latching. If you don't latch correctly, then you will suffer from breastfeeding issues like incorrect latch, breastfeeding pain, sore nipple, cracked nipple, and even breast engorgement also. 90% of women don't know how to latch correctly and they suffer from these issues, and then they think that their baby is not getting enough, they are not producing enough, and they fall into the formula trap and they start formula, and that further leads to decrease in the milk output and further breastfeeding issues. So learning correct latching is very important thing. So how to latch correctly? So first of all, use feeding pillow or pillows and position yourself properly with the back support and position your baby as I explained in the earlier videos also. So position your baby with the abdomen touching your abdomen, and then you have to latch your baby. So I'll explain with the breast dummy and the mouth dummy. So let's see. Once you position the baby, after that you have to touch the nipple part on the upper lip. So see, you're seeing like touching upper lip. Touching upper lip and stimulating baby to open the mouth widely. So once you touch, the baby will start opening like this. And once the baby open mouth widely, then you put the whole areola part inside the mouth like this. Touching, opening, 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 and wide open. Can you see? Can you see? Now baby can suck and draw milk. So only little bit upper part is visible, no lower part is visible. Lower part is all inside baby's mouth. Okay, so this is the correct way of latching. Now what are the good signs of latching? So once you latch the baby properly, you won't feel pain, like little bit sensation, yes, initial few days, but you won't feel pain because breastfeeding should be painless, not painful. Okay, so once you latch the baby, the little bit upper part of areola might be visible, and if you have larger areola, maybe little bit more areolar part may be visible. The lower part is almost inside the mouth and the upper lip will be upward direction like this. Okay, and lower lip also downward like this. Okay, not like this. No, this is not the right. First, areola is inside mouth. Second, the lips are outward. Third is that the baby is sucking and then transferring, sucking and transferring like. So you can see sucking movement and trickling down the milk. So you will see that the baby is withdrawing milk from your breast. You'll feel the flow in your breast and the baby is taking and sucking and swallowing, sucking and swallowing. And also the chin is touching the breast. So these are the 4 signs of good latch. Now, what are the signs of bad latch? So if your baby is not latching properly, the baby will latch only on the nipple like this. Okay, like this. Can you see? And the whole areola will be visible. Second, the baby will make smacking sound and crackling sound like, because baby is not latching properly. Third, the baby will leave the breast and again latch the breast, leave the breast, again latch the breast, leave the breast, again latch the breast, and baby will cry continuously because the baby is not able to transfer the milk. And fourth, you will see that the baby is not gaining weight. Even you are producing the sufficient milk, the baby is not gaining weight because baby is not able to transfer the milk. And fifth, your breastfeeding journey will be painful. You will feel the pain while baby is sucking the milk out. Okay, and sixth is after feeding you will see that your nipple is really compressed and there are stripes because the baby has latched only on the nipple part. So these are the signs of bad latch. So if you are having bad latch, please consult to our lactation expert. Please enroll into our breastfeeding training program so that we can help you. The earlier you take help, the earlier you will get solution of your breastfeeding issues. And if you don't know how to latch, then you should learn how to latch, because latching is the most important thing into the breastfeeding.